Hi everyone, welcome back to another nail show or paint nails with me. If you follow me, you already know that nail shows are a place where we just paint our nails and talk. On the regular, I do upload videos that are actually me giving you tips and tricks and nail art and everything like that. So if you're watching my video for the very first time, I hope you stick around, subscribe and become part of our YouTube family, because here we keep it real and we try to be very good and just gonna spread positivity and paint our nails along the way. Anyways, I'm painting my nails with this beautiful pink nail polish. I will have the name of it in the description box below, and I always list what I use in the description box below, as well my top coat and my base coat and nail polish and everything like helpful that you might need. But my first coat of this nail polish was very tricky, and then the second coat was totally fine. This nail polish is actually totally like bubblegum pink, maybe like Barbie pink, which is something that I adore absolutely, and I can never have too many pink nail polishes in my collection. Believe it or not, I don't even have that many of pinks. It's so weird. I'm also a huge fan of like pastel colors, which are my favorite ones. So yeah, I need more. I'm going to clean up any mistakes I made. I just dipped a little brush into some acetone and cleaned it up. Then I'm applying some top coat, and I love top coat. It's my favorite step in manicures. I hope you guys enjoy this nail show. Let me know what you think in comments. I love hearing your feedback. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I hope you do have a fabulous day. Check out my latest video. It is a trick on how to remove your nail polish the right way, and it's actually a tip that is going to make your nail game change forever. So yeah, I'm going to go now, but I will catch you later, and never let anyone do your sparkle. Bye!